Hello friends, today we are going to learn to make instant Rava Dhokla. Let's see the ingredients. 1 bowl Rava, 1 bowl curd, chopped green chili and coriander, salt and cooking soda. For tempering, oil, mustard seeds, sesame seeds and asafoetida. Here you can see the main ingredients: Rava, curd, coriander and green chili. Let's take Rava in a bowl. Now add the finely chopped green chilies in it. Add the finely chopped coriander leaves. Then salt to your taste. And finally, the cooking soda. Leave the curd just now. Now we do the tempering. Heat oil in a pan, around 2 spoons of oil. Let the oil heat. Now put the mustard seeds in it. Then add the sesame seeds. Let them crackle. And finally add the asafoetida. Add this tempering into the mixture of rava. Now let the gas be on and put the steamer on the gas with water in it. This thali I have greased with oil, and now I shall put it on the water and will allow it to heat till we complete the preparation of batter. Now add the curd into the rava mix and mix it well. We'll add some water for getting the proper consistency. You need to put a little more water. Now our batter is ready. Just see its consistency. Actually, you can add a little more water into this, but I like it like this only. Now our steamer is ready. So let's put the batter into the thali and steam our dhoklas. Spread the batter. Cover the lid and let them cook for 5 to 6 minutes and then check. Put the knife in it and see whether it comes out clean. Here some batter is coming out, so we need to put for some more time. I've kept it for 2-3 more minutes. Now it's done. So let's remove it from the steamer. Now we cut it into pieces. And now let's serve it. Put it in the serving plate. You can serve it with green coriander chutney. So here, enjoy your instant Rava Dhokla with green chutney. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.